Hello guys, welcome. So today is Tuesday, June 18, 2024. Road trip tayo papunta sa property and we'll shoot some guns. Ayun, punong-puno yung likod. Let's get some lunch from Chick-fil-A. Guys, we're here at DeBoll, Texas. 1 hour away. We're gonna get our lunch here chicken because they have gizzard here. Gizzard. You can't buy gizzard anymore near our place. Hey guys, this is lunch. Chicken and biscuit. And this is wow, hot liver. Crispy. Ooh. Nice small one. Okay guys, malapit na kami, mga 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. Okay, medyo napapaisip ako, nakalimutan ko dali yung chainsaw. So pag pumupunta ako rin sa property, kailangan dala ko yung chainsaw kasi may mga natutumbang sanga, natutumbang puno dun sa papasok. Ginagamit ko yung chainsaw. So last time pa naman may dumaan na tornado dito sa Texas, diba? So medyo napapaisip ako makakapasok kami. Pag hindi, lalakad na malayo. Pero yun nga, ito pakita ko na ba, nag-iiba na yung amoy ng hangin. Amoy pine tree. Iba na yung hangin dito, mapuno na kasi. May puno, may probinsya. My clue if we're close, the twin cemeteries, one, and then there's a cemetery on the left. Almost there. Almost there. This is the first bridge. Hi guys, we're here. Where is the start of the property? Where is it? Is that it? Yeah. So after this, yeah, this is ours. So this is ours. Yep. Hi guys, we're here. Looks like it's clear. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can pass through. Okay, looks clear. Yes. It's clear. Yeah, it's okay. Huh? It's okay, kaya yan. It's clear.
Ba't na tanong? Ito yung sinasabi mo.
Ito mababa to Ano gagawin? Yeah, I'm just gonna yeah.
Ay! Nako.
Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. It's fine. At least it's not as bad as last time. It's not as bad as last time. It's alright.
Ay, ito.
Yep. You're sleeping. Ah, that's. I need to clear it. I need to clear it. I need to clear it. What's this? Oh yeah. Oh, this thing fell. Whoa! Haha. Ito ang tanong, kaya ko ba to? Hindi ko to kaya.
Ha?
I can't do that. I'm just gonna drive.
Mabigat. Yan. Tabi mo. Hi guys, targets are set for the 22 rimfire for our 556 and 9. I'm here at the tree stand.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh,
Okay, time to go. And there is a vine. Did we clear it? Yeah, we cleared it. There we go. Huh?
Iba na yung ano natin. Natin.
Sabi niya beyond the fence daw, atin daw yan. Lampas dyan.
Ayun, hanggang doon ang ano natin. Ano natin. Diba?
Hindi, lampas pa dyan.
Lampas pa.
Lampas pa dyan. Okay, bye! See you next time!
Ay, parang na tabunan na naman, oh.
Okay guys, pauwi na kami. No? Iba talaga pagka spring and summer, buhay na buhay yung mga halaman, green na green. Nakakatuwa naman. Okay. Tapos syempre yung mga hype din siguro, tuwan-tuwa. Kasi marami silang makakain. Ano pa pag-usapan natin sa property? Pumasok sa isip ko, no, dati nung siguro first year, sabi ko na kaya parang nakakapagsisi bumili kami ng property kasi hindi naman namin ginagamit. First year yon, first year. Tapos pwede naman pala kami mag-camping sa mga national forest, libre lang mag-camping. Pero dito alin yung shortcut, maalikabok nga, pwede kang mag-camping kasi iba pala yung yung property mo, asset talaga siya. Kasi every year talaga nakakalula yung tinataas ng value.
Ay,
no?
ganda ng cow.
Yeah.
Ay, may baby.
Yeah, may baby. Iba yung tinataas ng value ng property. Nakakalula. Sabi nga namin ngayon, hindi namin makakabili pag hindi na tayo makakabili niyan, no? Mahal na eh. Hindi na ma-afford. Talaga pag siguro sa pagbili ng property, timing din. Location and timing. Timing is everything. Kasi at that time, pandemic nun eh. Tapos
Lahat,
bagsak ang negosyo.
Ang ganda ng bahay.
Ito, ang ganda nito. Ganda nito. Hopefully sa future makabili kami ng naman, yung flat lang na land, tas malinis na ganyan, yung pwedeng tayuan ng bahay. Anyway, tatapusin ko na yung vlog na to, no? Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin, like and subscribe para makagawa ko mas marami tataba ng bahay.